Hello and welcome to the Paleontology LibGuide. My name is Megan Maynard and today I'll be going over how to navigate this guide to get you started on your journey studying and exploring the fascinating science of paleontology. To begin, we start at the home page of this LibGuide where there is a brief box that describes what paleontology is and a couple of key terms like fossils and paleontologists. Down here we have quick search, so you can quickly enter the catalog or different databases to find what you're looking for. Under here we have the American Museum of Natural History. They have a Twitter feed that they update regularly with just cool facts and different tidbits about the natural sciences. Up here we have electronic resources, and we have several different databases and instructional and informational resources. Here we have ebooks as well as access to the ebook collection at EBSCOhost. Down here we have government resources from different government entities. They have various information on where, when, and how you can dig for fossils and other information like that. Here we have other online resources such as this database and interactive map and a digital atlas, which kind of goes over the locations of certain fossils in the United States. Here we have a section for folks who are interested in studying paleontology in a professional setting. And up here we have print resources, and there is the Encyclopedia of Dinosaurs as well as the Concise Dictionary of Paleontology. Both of these will give you an accurate idea of the terms and concepts that are prominent in paleontology. Over here we have printable pages, which are easily you can easily print those off and view them as you see fit. And here we have a few books just for further reading. Over here we have the Mobius database and the library catalog. The library catalog contains books that are available to you at your library, but with Mobius they are actually mailed to your library. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. And you can refine by subject, format, and whatever else you see fit. And if you have any questions, you may email me right here. Thanks for watching.